These are last year's Spotlight Awards. And this is the Spotlight Edition, full of winners from last year's venue design competition. And we want you to enter this year's 2018 ALSD Spotlight Awards, presented by Avixa. Our competition is back and better than ever. It's a great opportunity for you design and build-oriented folks to get recognized at our show, and for staff at any venue to get some love and free publicity for your space. We've got new categories with some additions in the high-tech area that you're gonna love. And of course, maintaining our focus on premium. We definitely want to see your best in areas like suites. Now, if you aren't familiar with Spotlight, this design and photo contest is a great way to show off what you've done, as well as getting a look at what others are creating. And remember, every relevant entry is featured on our website and social media, whether you win or not. So it's a great free way to get publicity for your newest venue project or development. Any venue representative or architect looking to showcase their space or innovation can enter. So check out the link in the description to submit your photos and press release. But remember, we need to have all entries by May the 4th, 2018. We're looking forward to seeing the best you have to offer and are excited about helping you share it with the world.